Let us accept that every human being has the same desire to explore the world and new places. And there are two frequent problems that prevent you from achieving your objectives. Number 1, lack of money. Number 2, lack of time. In this video, I will do my best to assist you in resolving these two issues by providing evergreen methods so that you can live your ideal life. But remember, no one has the ability to change your life but the person you see in the mirror every day. Please watch the video till the end. It will help you get started on your first adventure. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and share the video to help others. Number 1, join NGOs. Do you realize that joining an NGO has a different influence on your life? First and foremost, helping others will make you happy. Second, it might meet your financial needs. Third, it will broaden your social circle and improve your public image. Most significantly, you will have several possibilities to travel both domestically and abroad. Important tip: patience. You're probably wondering what I was going to say about time and money freedom, but believe me, you cannot live your dream life unless you have patience. You must maintain a never-say-die mentality in your endeavors. Please do not anticipate instant success. Now moving on to next method. Number 2, sell your moments. Yes, you may sell the moments you have filmed with your phone, camera, or whatever gadget you have. You're probably thinking that you need to be creative for this. Well, I have a different take on that. You do not need to be creative. Instead, you must be distinct. With very little effort, you may locate locations, items, nature, and cultural aspects that are difficult to find on the internet. All you have to do is record such items and sell them on sites such as Storyblog, Envato, ArtGrid, Pexels, and many others. This allows you to earn money while still refining your talents. Next, become travel guide. You may be wondering who needs a travel guide in this digital age. Please allow me to ask you a question here. Which museum in your town is the best? You'd undoubtedly know the answer, and as a guide, you'd know what's inside the museum that makes it worth the visit. But you might not realize there's a guard within the museum who has been working as a guard for the last 5 generations. This information is no longer available on the internet. My example may seem terrible, but the goal is to immerse yourself in your city or surroundings. Then create a task on Fiverr or Upwork, or just contact a local tourism organization and inform them of your knowledge of unusual facts. Then you may share your knowledge with travelers, travel vloggers, and bloggers. Another tip: deliver stuff. Participate in local delivery services. You will be earning money and exploring streets, cities, and places that others would not. Because some firms provide bikes or vehicles to deliver packages, in that case, you will be having your own ride as well. And don't forget to capture every single moment of your employment, since you never know when one click might change your life. Number 6, work at the hotels and resorts. Working at hotels and resorts may or may not result in a wage, but you will undoubtedly be compensated for your services. For example, you may get a free night stay, complimentary meals, or a discount on your stay. You must now be more inventive in this work. Ask the management whether you may film a video about the resort and post it on YouTube or your blog. Explain why the resort or hotel is worth visiting. It will boost your portfolio while also earning you some extra cash. That's all for now. Please do not give up on your ambitions. If you want to travel, all you have to do is pack your bags and take the first step. On your trip, you will encounter several possibilities and fantastic individuals. If you found this material beneficial, please like it and click the bell button to learn more about travel. We'll see you again in the next episode.